Welcome to Techie Creators. In this video, you will learn how to add and drop constraint on an existing table. We use alter command to add and drop constraint. Let's see practically. There is a table that is already created and have some data. Let me fetch the data from this. The table is imp. So we will see there is any constraint in this table or not. You can see there is no constraint available in that table. Let me add one constraint into this table. Alter table, table name, add constraint, constraint name, like I am adding primary key. Then constraint name I am taking pk emp, and then primary key, in which column I have to add primary key, that is employee number, and then bracket close semicolon. You can see table altered. It means primary key has added into this table now. Now we will see. You can see there is a constraint pk employee, that is the primary key constraint I have now added into this table. Now in the similar manner we can also add another constraint. Alter table, table name, add constraint, constraint name, check, and in the bracket I have to give condition, like I am creating check constraint here, that is salary is greater than 1000. Only those rows will be inserted into this table whose salary is greater than 1000. Let me see the table. You can see there is a constraint, that is check underscore employee, that I have created now. In this manner you can create any constraint on an existing table. Now I am dropping the constraint. Syntax is alter table, table name, drop constraint and constraint name. You can see table altered. Let me check. You can see there is no primary key constraint here because I have dropped the constraint. That is how you can add or drop constraint on an existing table. Thanks for watching.